1 second. You also complete it.
Hi.
That's Gautam, that's Rishi, that's Rekha. Right. This power outside. Yeah. Hi, Auntie. How are you? Oh, I was on it. Ah, very.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
It's one of our award nominees again. Then you have the Knuckle Buster. These are my award nominees, but the collection that we launched today is Odyssey of Words. It's right there, I'm sure. I've got few three finger rings also.
Hit somebody with this show.
These are baguettes, but the illusion setting baguettes.
They look like diamonds.
Yeah, they look like standalone stones. But this is what all the jewelers imported from Hong Kong and Thailand. We manufacture it here. So being in the industry since 110 years, all the products that are saying are handmade, made in our own factory. We don't outsource. I have my own factory. I've got a factory of 300 workers.
कपड़े और ज्वेलरी
Absolutely.
लाइक आपकी तरफ से लाइक किस तरह का कलेक्शन आपको इधर देखने में
I think they have a beautiful combination of ethnic because मैंने वहाँ सारा जो देखा वो विक्टोरियन और मॉडर्न है बट यहाँ पे they have something which is completely Indian and it's so beautiful. Also जो मैंने पहना हुआ है it's a beautiful combination. आप मतलब ये गाउन्स के साथ पहन सकते हैं, you can wear it with Indian clothes. So yeah, this is the best Mother's Day present for anybody. आप किसी भी मदर को, किसी भी लेडी को, डॉटर को आप ज्वेलरी स्टोर में भेज दो ना, that's the happiest you will ever see them. हाँ, इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी वही उनको कहा दैट आई विल बी कमिंग बैक एंड आई बी कमिंग विथ माई मदर बिकॉज हम अपना सारा शॉपिंग वेदर इट इज़ हर्स और वेदर इट इज़ माइंड वी ऑलवेज डू इट टुगेदर. आई थिंक दैट्स द टाइम वेयर वी बॉन्ड द मोस्ट बिकॉज एक मदर अपनी बेटी को बता सकती है कि नहीं तुम ये लो एंड बेटी अपनी माँ को कह सकती है नहीं माँ मैं ये लेती हूँ तुम वो ले लो ताकि मैं दोनों पहन सकूँ. So yeah, it's nice.
प्लानिंग करना है अपनी मॉम को ये गिफ्ट देने के लिए वो गिफ्ट करने के लिए आपने कुछ प्लानिंग की अपनी मॉम को गिफ्ट या समथिंग
सोचा जाए तो आई ओ everything that I have to her because I'm also a singer and मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा है कि मेरी आवाज़ उनकी तरह है. So the biggest thing in my life I owe to her my jeans जो उन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट किया हुआ and that's priceless. तो in the bargain but कुछ दिनों पहले we had a small family function where I was able to gift her something. So it's अब अगर कंपेयर करो तो वैसे छोटी छोटी गिफ्ट्स आमतौर पे एक्सचेंज होती रहती हैं बट what a mother gives her child life it's incomparable.
अगर बात की जाए कलेक्शन में तो लाइक आप बेसिकली क्या देखते हैं अपने अंदर के जो आपको ऐसा लगे बहुत मेक्स यू कि हाँ दिस इज द परफेक्ट थिंग फॉर मी.
Personally I like something that's very classic And I thought all the designs here at Ghana Singh, although they are very edgy and very contemporary, there's also a sense of something very classic about them. तो cocktail rings अगर अलग अलग semi precious stones यहाँ पे हैं, but a cocktail ring का जो basic proportion होता है, that they have figured out. So you know that is very classic. And उसके साथ जो combination में उन्होंने earrings रखे हैं, चाहे वो studs हों, you know, their combination is very very right. And I think personally in my the way I dress up, I like that. मतलब my style is very classic.
हर किसी की चॉइसेस डिफरेंट होती है, किसी को गोल्ड ज़्यादा भाता है, किसी को सिल्वर, किसी को डायमंड, किसी को कुछ और. तो लाइक व्हाट यू वांट?
I like oxidized money. I like क्या कहते हैं उसको? Not traditional but antique. So antique. I like antique jewelry, but antique jewelry, even Indian, Western, कोई भी. So there has to be that old world charm to it. But ऐसा कोई पीस हो कि वो एक पहनो तो बाकी कहीं नजर जाए ही नहीं. You know.
आज हम जानना चाहेंगे कि ड्रेसिंग के बारे में.
जी.
सर का अपने ड्रेस अप किया, ज्वेलरी.
This is Archana Kochar ji's creation, and as you can see, it is beautiful. मतलब आप पहनो और भूल जाओ, except for the compliments that you get, and it's great because it's for all body types. You know, आजकल people are so worried कि मैं कैसे लगूंगी ये कर, but she was like, you know what, whatever you wear, it has to be, you know, it has to work with your comfort. You know, so this works wonderfully, and I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Any tip for girls? You know what? I think the biggest style statement that you can have today is being comfortable with yourself. See, being healthy is one thing. There is no compromise for being healthy. Healthy can be very thin, healthy can be not so thin. Healthy is different to different people, but it's very important to be at your optimum. मतलब जिस weight या जिस shape के साथ आप सबसे ज़्यादा खुश हो. I think to me that is style. Okay, because otherwise अब पता चले आप 1.5 महीने से आपने कुछ खाया नहीं है and you're looking okay all the curves, but अगर शक्ल पे 12 बजे हो तो फायदा नहीं है. You know? So I think if you can be happy and you should be fit, because there's no point if at 20 you're huffing and puffing. It's not fun. You know, if you can be happy and you can have fun, I think that's style. Yeah. Thank you so much.
ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी के लिए जाना जाता है, तो लाइक बेसिकली उसके क्या उसके बारे में बताइए.
Sure. Ghana Singh Be True is a 110-year-old brand, and this is the 4th generation of the brand, and we've actually come up with collection-based jewelry. So we've changed from heirlooms to haute couture, and this is one of our summer collections called Odyssey of Pearls. So आप ये लेके actually travel कर सकते हो. So they are very light pieces, wearable pieces, statement pieces for every woman of every stature, and also you know, they are very fun, colorful pieces because pearls always plays a, you know, great role. And this Mother's Day we've tied up with Smile Foundation. So the proceeds of this of the sale of the collection goes towards the education of a girl child. Since it was Mother's Day, we thought we should do something special, and that's what we've, you know, done.
Mother Day is coming, so like what you have planned for your mother?
So I'm actually taking her for lunch on Sunday because she was unable to come today. She's you know, busy with her Gita Satsang, so she was organizing that event. So I told her, don't worry, it's fine, we'll go for lunch on this Sunday, which is Mother's Day.
Okay, any other plans with your mom?
So we generally go shopping together, and I think on Sunday we'll be spending that time you know, with lunch and a spa.
Any of the memories with your mom or with your, you know, kid? You have a girl child?
No, so not yet, but with my mom, I'm the only child, so it's obviously more special. And for me, you know, the responsibility is higher when you're the only child, so you have to, you know, make sure that you go back and you know, take her out and take her shopping, because she will call and say, okay, today I come with me and let's go out, you know.
Basically, Ghana Singh जो है, ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी के लिए जाना जाता है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी स्पेशलिटी जो हमेशा हर लेडी को बोले परफेक्ट फॉर हर. So like what is that?
So ours is a collection-based jewelry format, and what we do is we actually come up with new collections every quarter. So some can be traditional, some can be contemporary, some can be heavy, it can be bridal, it can be pret, it can be couture. So for every woman and for every need, there is a piece in the store. So please come and take a look.
Thank you.
Thank you.